Good afternoon, everybody. It is Wednesday afternoon. And for tonight's Wednesday shave, we're going to be doing a review of the Alpha Shaving Works Shave Dad Collaboration Razor. And it comes in this neat little box that's got the little magnet on the front to keep it shut. When you open it up, you've got the razor and the stand. Let me take out the razor for you. That's easy. The stand, it's impossible to grab. You got to turn it upside down and drop it out. So yeah, maybe a little slit in there for the other side. Anyway, the stand is the type that the razor just sits in it like that, rather than standing up, which I don't see why that would be a problem. There's nothing to drain. So yeah, very nice looking stand. My only comment on the stand would be maybe a little piece of silicone on the bottom to keep it from sliding around would be nice. But you know, it is what it is. Not all stands have that. Okay, the razor. Wow. I shaved with this morning, and yeah, very nice. People had told me that this is a very mild razor, so I threw a feather in it, and the audible feedback I was getting off this was incredible. I was like, wow, this is really sounding good. Sounds really nice. So I did my 3 passes without checking anything. Then when I finished, oh yeah, I still had quite a bit left over here that I had to do some touch-ups with. But, you know, I may be able to conquer that at a little different angle. So we'll keep trying. First shave, you know, it's not going to be perfect. But I think, you know, messing around with it, finding the right angle, I think I will get it. Now, I've got the specs up here on my screen here. This is the Alpha Time Shave Dad Aluminum DE Razor, a special razor made only for Shave Dad Facebook group members. Now, if I remember correctly, they were only going to make 100, and then they upped it to 200. It says sold out, so I guess they sold all of them. So if you didn't get one, sorry. Okay, it says here that the specifications are very similar to the Alpha Outlaw Evolution, with some changes to make the machining easier and a little less expensive. But the basic geometry remains the same. It's a double-edged safety razor, as we can see. The material is 6061 aluminum. It's CNC machined, anodized finish. The top cap and stand are sandblasted to 120 grit and then anodized matte silver, as you can see there, if that shows up at all. Okay, the base plate is sandblasted to 120 grit, then anodized matte green with a laser engraved Shave Dad Alpha logo. All right, let me hold on, I'm taking the handle off here. I want to show you this bottom cap. Now there's this little clear washer that comes with it, and trust me, you're going to lose that. Okay, but it's there to protect the finish here. Okay, so here's what the bottom looks like. This is the underside of it. So when you're shaving, it would be like this, and if you look up underneath it, it's got the Shave Dad on it. So anyway, you put your blade in, put the cap on, get your little washer, put that on there, because you don't want this to mar the finish. Screw this back on. There we go. There we go. And there we go. The Shave Dad. Okay. Let's see. The blade gap is 0.70 millimeters. The handle diameter is 14 millimeters, approximately 9/16 of an inch. The handle length is 90 millimeters, approximately 3.5 inches. It's a medium aggressive daily shaver. Neutral to slight positive exposure depending on the blades used. It weighs 1.5 ounces or 45 grams. Damn, very light. But, you know, it doesn't feel as light as the Henson. Like the Henson feels like a toy. It's so light. But this has a little bit of heft to it, even as light as it is. And you would think, like, you can feel that it feels like it's top heavy, but it's not. Like when you balance it, it's here somewhere. I just had it before. You know, it's like right there, right? So that's not bad. Okay. Yeah. And that's about it, guys. I got a really good shave off of it. I liked it. I like it, and I will shave with it again. Now, usually I stick with adjustable razors, and I prefer the butterfly open, but I will use this. This will probably be like after I have a really, really good shave, and I'm super baby butt smooth, and then the next day I have just a little bit to clean up. This is what I would be. So I guess that's what they call a daily driver. All right. Well, anyway, guys, that is it for now. This will be making an appearance in a shave, but not today. I just wanted to get this out for today and let you guys see that. If you've got one, let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. And if you don't have one, sorry. Once again, thanks to Jerry Plessy, Shave Dad, Steve Tinter at Alpha Shaving Works, and especially huge thanks to Rob Larkham for getting this put in my hands. Thank you, sir. Much appreciated. Okay, and guys, we will leave you with that. And yeah, see you Saturday.